Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, today we're going to draw D from alphabet lore. I hope you'll follow along with me. You'll need a pencil, a black marker, and anything to color with. Let's get started. Okay, perfect. To start, we're going to take our black marker. We're going to come here, we're going to plan to draw here in the center of the page. Let's not start over here, not too high. Right here is about the size of our D shape. So we're going to do a line right there. And then we'll start his eye and we'll stop. We want to make sure that we can fit this other eye here on the side. And then up around. Kind of a rounded off square. There. Now let's give our eyes some eyelids underneath. And then let's draw some pupils. Just like that. Perfect. We'll give a little lip right here. And then a rectangle. That rectangle is going to be his teeth. We'll draw two lines down like this. And then a line down. It's going to round and go all the way back up. We're going to stop right there. And we're going to come on this side and go around and down all the way to right there. We're going to close that off. Perfect. And there we have our D shape. Now that we have our shape all outlined, we get a color. So I'm going to take my green marker here and I'm going to fill it all the way in with green. But I'm going to make sure I don't get the eyes or the eyelids or the teeth. Perfect. Now that we have the shape all filled in with green, let's give our eyelids this purple color. Yeah, that's looking really good. Okay, almost there. We're gonna fill this one in too. And now to finish off our D character, we're just gonna I'm gonna add some colored pencil. Just a little yellow here to add some variety to the color. I think it makes the drawing a little more interesting. Okay, and now I'm gonna take some blue. Right there. I'm not going all the way down to the side. I'm kind of giving an effect of a coarse shadow. The coarse shadow doesn't go to the edge because we have a little bit of reflective light down here. We're not really shading the character, but I'm still thinking that way. I think it looks a little better. Okay. So a little more yellow up here. And then I'm gonna use this white colored pencil to lighten up this top to almost give a highlight effect. Yeah. Okay, that's looking really good. And there we have D from alphabet lore.
Yeah.
Wow, it looks so good. You did a really good job following along with me. I hope you'll come back and draw with me again soon. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.